Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is one of the leading PEB designers in Mumbai. With years of experience and expertise in the field, Scon has built a strong reputation for delivering high-quality and innovative pre-engineered building designs. The company is committed to providing customized solutions that meet the specific needs of its clients. As PEB designers, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers a wide range of services, including concept design, detailed engineering, fabrication, and installation. The team of skilled professionals at Scon uses advanced technology and software to create efficient and cost-effective designs. They have successfully completed numerous projects across various industries, such as warehouses, factories, commercial buildings, and more. One of the key advantages of working with Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is their ability to provide end-to-end solutions. From initial concept design to final installation, the company takes care of every aspect of the project. This ensures seamless coordination and reduces the hassle for the clients. Moreover, Scon's designs are known for their structural integrity, durability, and aesthetic appeal. Client satisfaction is a top priority for Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. The company strives to understand the unique requirements of each client and deliver designs that exceed their expectations. With a customer-centric approach, Scon ensures timely project completion, cost efficiency, and adherence to quality standards. In conclusion, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a trusted name in the industry when it comes to PEB designers in Mumbai. Their expertise, commitment to excellence, and customer-centric approach make them the preferred choice for clients looking for innovative and reliable pre-engineered building designs. Whether it's a small-scale project or a large-scale industrial facility, Scon has the capabilities to deliver exceptional results. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is one of the leading PEB designers in Mumbai. With their expertise and experience in the field, they have gained a reputation for providing top-notch design solutions for pre-engineered buildings. PEB, which stands for pre-engineered building, is a construction method that involves designing and fabricating the building components off-site and then assembling them on-site. This approach offers several advantages in terms of cost-effectiveness, speed of construction, and flexibility in design. As PEB designers in Mumbai, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the unique requirements of the city's construction industry. Mumbai, being a densely populated metropolis, demands innovative design solutions that can maximize space utilization and ensure structural integrity. The team at Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is well versed in the local building codes and regulations,